Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the if statement in C++. So what is the if statement? In case you don't know, it's a statement that lets us run a certain function or command only if a certain statement is true. First, before we look at the if statement in C++, let's go over the basic logical statements in mathematics that C++ supports. So here are all the basic statements. For example, you can use A is less than B and say that if one number is less than another, then only will your statement run. As for the equal to operator, which in the syntax is A is equal to B, keep in mind that there is a difference between a single equal to and two equal to signs. We write a single equal to assign values to variables. For example, when I declare an integer variable x, I would write int x is equal to 9. We would use a double equal to when we want to check whether two numbers are equal to each other. For example, if I want to check whether 10 and 12 are equal, then I would write 10 is equal to 12. And I could say that only if 10 is equal to 12, then the code inside the if statement will run. So now let's look at the if statement. The syntax to follow for the if statement in C++ is this. In this syntax, only if the condition inside these parentheses are true, then whatever code is in the body of if will be executed. If the condition is not true, the body of if will not be executed. And the body of if is where you will write the code that you want to be executed. Let's take a look at an example. Let's say that I have two integer variables. One of them can be int num1 is equal to 15, and the other one can be num2, and we can set that equal to 19. Now let's say that I want to print out the statement hello world only if num1 and num2 are equal to each other. So to do this, I can use an if statement. So this was the syntax for the if statement that I just showed you. In this case, I want the body of if to be executed only if num1 and num2 are equal to each other. So for the condition, I can write num1 is equal to num2. Now, if this condition is true, I want to print out the statement hello world. So inside the body of if, I can write cout hello world. In this case, hello world will not be printed out because num1 is not equal to num2. Now, if I were to change this condition to num1 is not equal to num2, then hello world would be printed out, because then this condition would be true, since num1 is not equal to num2. So the code inside the braces, which prints out hello world, would be executed. So when I run this program, you can see that it prints out hello world, because this condition is true. So this is how the if statement works in C++. I encourage you to test it out yourself.